All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I'm in the house with the Custom Knife Factory Snafu 3.0 with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella right over here, Custom Knife Factory, Peter Rasenti. Design Snafu 3.0. This is the shrunk version of the Snafu 2.0, also released by Custom Knife Factory, designed by Peter Rasenti. You can find the custom for the big one, not for this one yet. So probably it's going to be next one Peter is going to be working on. It's going to be this guy right over here. Beautiful knife. This is a titanium frame lock made in Russia by Custom Knife Factory. It is an integral knife. As you can see, it's a titanium integral knife. It is a gorgeous one. I love the Snafu 2.0 from Custom Knife Factory and from Peter as well. And I happen to like probably this guy even more because of the size. This is a very, very cool size. We are gonna do a quick check of the blade. Look at that, 3.2 inches for the cutting edge. It has like probably 3.5 inch long blade, 4.5 for the handle. Overall, 8.2 inches. So very, very contained size for this guy right over here. Custom Knife Factory, Peter Rasenti. You got an M390 steel blade, which has a very cool vapor blast finish on the primary bevel right over here and on the swedge. The fuller is kind of like darker and the flats are satin, great jimping, aggressive blade. Look at this, kind of like almost tanto. Straight, I mean, look at full finger choil going on. Integral handle, mokutai, clip, and pivot. Actually, this guy looks like zirkutai. I think this is zero. I'm gonna go with zirkutai, pivot, and pocket clip, which is pretty cool. Stainless steel lock face insert. You get zirc thumb stud. Guys, the action is bonkers. Really, really cool action for this fella. Nice fullers on the show side only. It is a gorgeous knife, guys, really, a really cool one. Actually, let's quickly check the weight because it doesn't feel that light, but of course it's an integral. There's no internal skeletonization. It is going to be 4.29 ounces, so not too shabby, and it's gonna run you around $650, $700 depending on the secondary price market, because this guy has been sold out already. But hey, if you want to know more, let's see what you can do. Oh yeah, just check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.